Hi guys, I'm Sophie Jaffe. I'm the founder of Philosophie Superfoods, and today I'm showing a lunch recipe, which could easily also be a dinner recipe, for our cleanse. So we have a 5-day, a 10-day, and a 14-day cleanse program. They're all wonderful. They're all a little bit unique, but the point is that you're saturating your body with beautiful nutrients all day long. So I'm gonna show you an example of this awesome soup. It's a lentil soup, so easy and delicious. First thing you wanna do is just chop up your veggies. So these are organic black lentils. You could also get black lentils in bulk and make them yourself. I want you to feel equipped and inspired to make these recipes. I chopped up my carrots. I have some kale that was in the fridge and garlic. You could use onion, you could use any vegetable really that you want to add to this lentil soup. It's gonna be super healing and delicious. We're gonna add some green dream to it, of course, and some sea salt. You're gonna chop your veggies, turn the heat on. I'm going to do some avocado oil. You could do olive oil here. You could do coconut oil. I'm gonna add my carrots first because they take the longest to cook. And just get those going on their own a little bit. And then I'll add the lentils and the garlic. And the kale I'm gonna add very last so that you don't lose the nutrients from it. The great thing about soups is you can get so many nutrients in one bowl, just similar to a smoothie, but soups are just so nurturing and nourishing and warm and healing. This fresh garlic is just so medicinal, so healing. So I love to add a ton of garlic. This is 5 cloves of garlic. I'm crazy about garlic, so you can go way less if that feels good to you. This will prevent getting a cold, and if you feel like a cold's onsetting, our cleanses are really great ways to eat to get rid of the cold faster. So I've got the garlic going with the carrots. And now I'm gonna add the organic lentils, and we've got our black lentils in here. I'm doing 2 cans because I want there to be lots of soup. I never wanna be hungry on the cleanse. That's a huge part to this, is it's not a starvation. It's not a deprivation of nutrients. You wanna feel good and satisfied and full, but from the right foods. And the feeling after having several days of this, I'm on day 4 of the cleanse right now actually, and I feel amazing. The first few days, you have a little bit of mental fog, you're a little tired, you want your normal foods and your cravings and your sugar and your caffeine, but as you move through day 3, to day 3 and 4 and beyond, you feel absolutely amazing. I have so much energy. I had the teeniest bit of coffee this morning. You don't have to get rid of caffeine if you're a coffee drinker, unless that's your goal, is to quit caffeine. So everyone has different goals on the cleanse. You do what's right for you. Make sure you're journaling, moving your body, getting really active throughout the day. At the very last moment, I will add the kale. I'm gonna add some sea salt. This is our Green Dream Savory blend. So I'm gonna add some of this and some extra pink sea salt. And just let it simmer until your vegetables are soft and cooked to your liking. That's actually it. That's all you're gonna do. I'm gonna wait till the end and then add the kale, and voila. This is an amazing soup. You could make quadruple this recipe. Any of our soups on the cleanse, if you love it, you could make a lot of it, a vat of it, and then store it in mason jars in the fridge and just label the date that you made it on, and then you can have it throughout the cleanse. It's easy for grab and go when you're hungry. That's it. Thank you so much. Hope you enjoy.